Hi, this is Tobin. November 24th, 2025. I am at the port of Olympia. I noticed a ship has come in, the Pine Arrow, and it's sitting behind that huge crane. And don't know what that's all about, but I thought I would show this to you anyways. It's not going to be a long video, but they're not doing anything on the Pine Arrow right now, not loading it. So I thought I'd show this. Thought I would show this to you today, just as an oddity. For a moment there, it looked like that crane thing was lifting its boom, but I don't think it was. But at any rate, y'all have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.